I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can tag people on Instagram post. Before starting the tutorial, I'd like to let you know about Instagram app. It's an app where you can connect with friends, share what you're up to, and see what's new from others all over the world. Now open up Instagram app on your phone. After you open up your app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile icon, which is on bottom right of your screen. Now select the post in which you want to tag people. Above the photo on your right hand side, there you'll see three-dot menu icon. Tap on it. Here you'll see various options like post to other apps, copy link, share to, archive, delete, edit, hide like count, and turn off commenting. Tap on edit. After you tap on edit, on your left hand side there you'll see the option of tag people. Tap on it. Then enter the username of the person that you want to tag. Now locate them on the photo where you want to tag them, and then tap on the tick icon which is on top right of your screen. Again tap on the tick icon. This way you can tag people on your Instagram post. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.